Hey, today I want to show you how to get the most of your data in SAP Signavio Process Insights. So if you use SAP Signavio Process Insights, after analyzing your ERP or Ariba or CRM, it looks like this. So you have a lot of process flows, innovation recommendations, possible Fury apps, capabilities to use to improve the quality of your processes. But is it possible to do it the other way around? So to say what's your problem or where you want to work on, and then get out of your words with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, an improvement option out of Signavio. Yes, that's possible if you use Process Insights and from Signavio, the Process Collaboration Hub and there you can use the lab space. So I switch now. Now I'm here in the Transformation Advisor, and with simply a question, can I reduce the cost in my sales process or my sales operations? I now ask, based on the data from SAP Signavio Process Insights, how to do so. Before I get a result, I need to connect my SAP Signavio Process Insights with the Transformation Advisor. You simply need the URL and your login data. Done. What kind of business challenges am I addressing with my questions? Inefficient sales operations leading to high operational costs. That works for me for this time. Great recommendations. And now we will see what SAP Signavio is offering us. So we see the related process, line of business, and the process flows, which are impacted by our improvements. Here we also see innovation recommendations, improvement opportunities, and we can drill down to get more details. What exactly is the improvement quality? What exactly is the improvement opportunity to implement it? So with this, with the Transformation Advisor, which is, by the way, for free, you can use words combined with AI, combined with the data from SAP Signavio Process Insights to get the best out of your data. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. See you next time. Bye.